Hello! Today we're going to learn how to add furnishing to your project. First, make sure you are on the right level of your home. For example, if you want to place a tree in the terrain, go down to the terrain level to place the tree on the lot. To add a piece of furniture in a room, go back to the selected floor to place the item. To get an interior access of the floor, deactivate or activate levels as you work by choosing the level or the roof icon. You can also change the camera view by choosing which camera to use from the selections on the bottom of the page. For example, to compare the distance of each furnishing piece, select the top view. There are two ways to place furnishing. Select the item you need by searching the catalog or typing it in the search bar. Once this product is placed on the ground, you can move it around freely. To rotate it near a wall, deactivate the collisions icon to rotate through a wall or other furnishing. Then you can click on orange arrow to rotate the product on a 3-axis rotation. The second option is to place the furnishing on the wall to be integrated into the wall. This is useful for products like frames or shelves. To remove an item mistakenly put on the wall, select that item and make a copy by choosing the third option. Then, place that copied item in the middle of the floor away from the wall. Then, you can delete the other item from the wall to remove it. If a product has a high elevation, there will be a blue dotted line underneath. Select the product, click on the second icon to bring it down to level, which will place the item on the floor or the furniture below. Now, we can see the way to change the elevation or the rotation of a product. On each product, you can find a purple arrow for elevation and an orange arrow for horizontal rotation. You can also find these options in the right column with the same colors. If you need to rotate your product on other axes, like here, a car on a garage ramp axis, you can activate the advanced rotation option in the right column or in the product. You must manage the different axis or elevation to set the product place. Lastly, when you're done, do not forget to activate collisions to avoid furniture from colliding in the wall or with other items in the HD visual or renderings. That's it! Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. Our team is always available to help.